Hello and welcome to Zexy Berry. My name is Farshid Bayat, and along with my partner Layla, we are the founders and visionary of Zexy Berry Chocolate Fondue. Well, it all started in 2009 when I was taking a family vacation in Europe, and I saw the fruit and fondue concept in many cities across Europe. I personally fell in love with it, and upon my return in Canada, I put together a very strong team of some of the most talented people from across the country, involving professional chefs, commercial designers, real estate experts, and business and marketing consultants to create the Zexy Berry products customized for North American market. Today, Zexy Berry is a pioneer in chocolate fondue retail in Canada, and we're aiming to capture international market in the United States and other countries. Over the past few years, I've built many successful businesses and brands, but I'm particularly happy and proud of what we accomplished to do with Zexy Berry. Our products are meant to be chic and trendy. They're healthy and extremely tasty. At Zexy Berry, we offer a variety of fun and healthy products to our customers, made fresh here at the store with our fondue artists. Our very popular fondue cups include fresh fruits and melted chocolate. We offer banana and strawberry skewers dipped in chocolate and decorated. They are really fun and delicious. Our Belgian waffle is made fresh and upon ordering. It includes fresh fruits and melted chocolate on top and some fun toppings. We offer spectacular fruit and fondue boxes and platters designed and decorated by our talented fondue artists. They're customized for any occasion, from corporate events to parties and wedding ceremonies. Our hot chocolate is to die for and is made with real chocolate. We incorporate Zexy Berry high-quality Belgian chocolate in all our products and offer white, dark, milk, and diet chocolate.
Fondue is my new love language. The best way to say I love you to my loved one. We melt high-quality Belgian chocolate and use fresh fruits every day. Quality and best presentation are our promise to our customers. During your 2-week hands-on training course with Zexy Berry, I will teach you how with your heart and passion you can create the fondue masterpiece. Our franchise partners and employees enjoy the simplicity of our process while making an elegant and remarkable fondue platter. This is your chance to become part of a growing brand that pioneers the chocolate fondue and dessert market. Fulfill your dream of owning your own business by joining Zexy Berry Chocolate Fondue.
When you become a Zexy Berry partner, you will be part of a brand that pioneers the healthy dessert market. We have a competitive edge because of our unique recipes and creative offerings to the marketplace. Our professional team has spent 3 years to create a strong business model that has made us tremendously successful over the past years. This includes a Zexy Berry comprehensive training program that guides you through every aspect of your daily business, from fondue making to inventory control, bookkeeping, and accounting. We fully understand that our success depends entirely upon your success, and we have made this a priority. Zexy Berry is soon becoming an international and iconic brand with retail locations all over the world. We're always in search for partners who share our values, committed to success, and love the art of fondue making. We can't wait to personally meet and welcome you into the Zexy Berry family. We look forward to talking to you, our valued Zexy Berry partner, in the near future.